Ready to transform your IT department and ditch the chaos for streamlined service delivery? Let's dive into setting up Atlassian's Jira Service Management JSM for your IT service needs. We'll cover the essentials of configuring your service desk for efficient request, incident, and problem management in under 90 seconds. First, log into your Jira instance and navigate to the JSM project. A key step is configuring your service desk. Click the Create button. Choose a project type. You can either start with a template, like IT Service Desk, or build your own. This dictates the initial structure, including request types. Click the plus sign icon to create new service desk project. Define request types, the heart of any service desk. This predefines the types of requests your users can submit, such as report an issue, request a new software, or get IT help. Customize these types according to your team's requirements. Now for SLAs. Click SLA Set up Service Level Agreements. This is where you define the time limits for responding to and resolving requests. Crucial for meeting service level goals. Configure business hours so that the SLAs are only calculated correctly. Next, let's automate. Explore the automation features. You can automate various tasks like assigning issues, sending notifications based on the request type and priority. This frees up your team for more complex tasks. Test your setup. Ensure it flows smoothly from the user's perspective. This means testing new request types, submitting the requests, and reviewing the automation, and ensuring that everything displays correctly in the portal. That's it. You're well on your way to streamlining service delivery with Jira Service Management. Remember to continuously adjust these settings as your IT needs evolve.